Welcome to over 1,100 acres of unspoiled Northern California ranch land. You'll find 4 classic red barns, full livestock infrastructure, and the largest barn is large enough for an arena, with the floor already sanded, ready for horse and cattle operations. Oak Run Creek and spring-fed ponds provide an abundant water source for irrigated meadows on the ranch. The property also serves as an excellent wildlife habitat, home to deer, wild turkeys, quail, and even elk. This could be a strong candidate for California's private land management program, offering the potential to enhance habitat in exchange for expanded hunting opportunities. As you approach the main home, the views open up to a striking residence perched above one of the property's largest reservoirs. Inside, an open living room welcomes you with space to relax or entertain. From the wood-burning fireplace to the game area and panoramic windows, this home is designed to enjoy the ranch lifestyle, both inside and out. The kitchen has been tastefully remodeled, offering functionality for large gatherings or everyday living. The primary bedroom is spacious and serene, with natural light and sweeping views. The ensuite bath features a large vanity, shower, and soaking tub, perfect for winding down after a day outdoors. Just steps from the home, relax by the pond and watch the wildlife. With 2 large reservoirs for family fishing or boating, this is country living at its most peaceful. Set apart from the main residence, 3 additional homes provide housing for caretakers or guests, ideal for supporting ranch operations or multi-generational living. Four red barns offer everything needed for a working ranch, including corrals, a loading chute, tack room, scale house, and indoor riding with a sanded floor in the largest barn. Next to the barn, essential infrastructure supports day-to-day ranching, from equipment storage to a livestock scale house. The reservoirs invite fishing, paddling, or simply watching the geese glide across the surface. Another layer of tranquility on this diverse landscape. With over 1,000 acres, there's room to roam, ride, or develop your vision of a legacy ranch. Fresh, spring-fed streams add to the vitality of the land, supporting wildlife and natural growth. The property is supported by established water rights and reliable access. Whether you're dreaming of a working cattle ranch, a family compound, or a recreational retreat, the Indian Springs Ranch offers unmatched scale, beauty, and potential.
California outdoor properties, we have the best ranch land. California outdoor properties, call us as soon as you can. You'll lay